Oh my god, this thing sounds great! Alright, so this is gonna be one of the craziest bikes I'll ever ride in my lifetime so far. RSV4 Factory from Aprilia, 217 horsepower, but you know, gentleman's agreement, 189 miles per hour top speed. But the guy explained to me I'm not gonna have that much fun riding around here, which, you know, is fair because I'd be doing this bike a disservice, because this is meant for the track and nothing less. I'm still not gonna ride on the highway, so there's that. Let's go ahead and turn on. Cool, nice screen. I don't have personal code. It's a demo bike. Alright, gonna start it up. Hold the brake just in case. Steering damper is hiding all the way down there. So that's cool. You got this, you know, for your quad lock. I'm not sponsored, but yeah. Let's see how crazy this thing can get. Probably not gonna push it. It was also explained to me that this bike will get you in trouble because it really wants you to go crazy. So we'll find out for ourselves here. Okay. This is a super aggressive riding position already. Do I even need to shift at this point? Apparently first gear is 0 to 100. Sounds good so far. Okay, yeah. Who needs to shift? Okay. Damn. Alright, already a big difference between this and the Tuono 660. No, just try to be nice to some people. Alright, so for the most part right now, it's looking good. I really want to adjust this mirror, damn it. There we go. Big man on campus right here. Whoa, way smoother. Way smoother than this. So this is a V4, so inline, V4, yeah, V4 versus what? The Tuono being a parallel twin. So the sound, like, sounds great. I don't even know if I can fully open this thing up. I don't know if that lady was flagging me down or what. Oh geez, already, yep. I'm already feeling that extra oomph. Yeah, I'm just trying to feel this bike out right now. But man, oh man. 1100cc bike. Yeah, this thing fucking goes. I'm sorry, but damn, dude. Turn green, please. Turn green, turn green, turn green. Please. Oh my god. I can't. Oh gosh, lots of cars just hanging out right in the middle of the road. I don't like that. Yeah, I can see this bike getting you in trouble more ways than one. Not just, you know, by the law or anything, but if you don't know how to handle a bike like this, holy crap! See, like just like that. If you accidentally whiskey throttle this, or you just don't know how to avoid cars turning like that. Oh my god, this guy didn't even fucking stop, dog. See? Holy shit. It's the torque that really just fucking gets you with this bike. But the brakes are good, the Brembo brakes. Yep. So that's helping. Get off your fucking phone! What's going on here? Thanks. Okay, so interestingly enough, if I were to compare this again to my own 600, I don't find myself relying more on my wrists than I usually do with my Honda. And so for the most part, I think it's not bad to ride around as is. That being said, the clutch on this thing is a little bit lighter. Yeah, maybe I'll stick with my first gear. Oh, it stops. I'll stick with first gear just so I can wind it out, because I want to be able to hear what I want to hear. Holy shit. Oh! Oh my god, this thing sounds great! Oh my lord! Oh! Come on. Oh! Jesus fucking Christ, dude! Whoa! Yeah, I don't need to shift. It goes all the way to 100. Fuck! Traction control. I needed that. Or the anti-wheelie. God damn, dude. Fuck. Holy shit, man. Holy fuck. Well, that was fun. Jesus. Yep. And break it down. I'm not taking it out of street mode because I don't fucking trust myself to fucking keep this thing down. Yep. I think there's like, I can't really compliment too much about the handling dynamics, but I mean, it just feels like a super aggressive sport bike, or I guess a super sport in this case. And it's just like, yeah, this thing goes, man. It's very nimble. I mean, it's as nimble as a leader bike can be. Yep, okay. I'm just gonna say it. Great fucking bike. I would leave it on the fucking track, but yeah, great fucking bike. Well, and then that is an RSV4 Factory. Holy shit, I love it.